Rocky, we brought you morning rice and a drink. Time for a break.
Delicious. Thank you, friend, for delivering my food to me.
Thanks for the picnic, Rocky!
Yeah, you're the best.
We're heading home now. See you later.
Hey, cows and goats, come here, everyone. That's it, gather around the tractor. Good job, everyone.
Why are you calling us all here?
My car is stuck here. Please push it from behind.
Sure, Rocky, we'll help.
Yeah, let's push.
All right, team, let's get this tractor out. Engines on, now push. We're moving! Great job, everyone! Come here, cows!
Coming!
That's it, keep coming! You all have done me a great favor today. Now what can I do for you?
When it rains heavily and lightning strikes, we can't stand anywhere in the field. So we need a big house.
What's wrong with you? Do you have anything to say?
We are very thirsty animals in the hot sun. We cannot drink water, so make a well for us.
Okay, I will solve these two problems for you.
Thank you, Rocky!
Rocky, wake up, it's 4 o'clock.
Hi, I'll take 1 eggplant and some onions, please.
Of course, here you go. That'll be 2 coins.
Thanks. Now for some fish. Woohoo! Fresh fish, here I come. Whoa, that's a big one. Perfect. Time to cruise with my prize. All right, let's go get some gas. Whoa, that's a long line. Hey, everyone, I'm number 11.
Thanks, Rocky. Join the back. Petrol, yay!
All right, my turn now. All right, time to head home. This fish is quite the catch. Almost there, just past these trees. Home sweet home, here I come. Time to go play! Hey, a football game! I'm joining in!
Yeah, kick it, Rocky! Got it!
Ready, set, catch!
I got it!
Over here, pass it! Time to head home, everyone! Almost home. What a ride! Time to head home.
See you tomorrow, Rocky!
Okay, bike, park here. Ah, perfect. Now to read. This story is great.